Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best circuit breaker tracer is probably one of the most indispensable tools for any homeowner, DIY enthusiast, or professional electrician looking to quickly and safely identify the correct circuit breaker for a specific outlet or fixture without the frustrating trial and error method, saving you valuable time and preventing potential electrical hazards during renovations, repairs, or installations. Number 5. Extech CB10 Circuit Breaker Finder and GFCI Tester. This device helps you quickly and accurately find the right circuit breaker or fuse. You can do this without needing to turn off the power, making it perfect for both home and industrial electrical panels. To guarantee perfect accuracy, it uses a unique two-pass calibration. First, scan all breakers to set its sensitivity, then scan a second time to pinpoint the exact circuit. This prevents any false or multiple signals. The transmitter also works as a professional outlet tester. It can detect common wiring problems like open ground or reverse polarity, and even has a dedicated button to test GFCI safety outlets. It includes a variable sensitivity dial on the receiver. This allows you to fine-tune its signal, helping to eliminate any false readings caused by electrical noise in busy panels. This tool comes ready to use right out of the box. It includes a 9V battery and a durable receiver transmitter set, so you can start working immediately. What we like. This unit stands out with its integrated GFCI tester and two-pass calibration for unmatched accuracy. If you are a professional electrician or a homeowner serious about electrical safety and precise identification, this is your go-to tool. Its advanced features ensure you can confidently test outlets and pinpoint breakers without error. What people say. Number 4. Sperry Instruments CS550A Circuit Breaker Finder. This device quickly and easily identifies the correct circuit breaker or fuse. It pinpoints the specific electrical circuit you need to work on. It's safe for use near sensitive electronic equipment. You won't need to interrupt power when using it, saving you time and hassle. The kit includes a convenient plug-style transmitter. It also comes with an auto-sensing receiver to make your job easier. You'll get clear feedback with its audible alert system. Bright LED visual indications are provided on both the transmitter and receiver. This tool is designed for operation at 120 VAC, 50 to 60 Hz. It is also UL listed, ensuring its quality and safety. The receiver operates efficiently from a single 9-volt battery. This battery is conveniently included, so you can start using it right away. What we like. This model offers straightforward operation with its plug-style transmitter and auto-sensing receiver, making breaker identification quick and easy. If you are looking for a simple, reliable tool for basic home use that won't interfere with sensitive electronics, this unit is an excellent choice. Its audible and visual alerts provide clear feedback for hassle-free use. What people say. Number 3. Amprobe 6010 Advanced Wire Tracer Kit. Locating wires has never been easier. This advanced kit provides clear, accurate results, helping you work efficiently. Its large LCD receiver screen features a 2-digit readout, a bar graph, and sound indicators. These elements combine to pinpoint wire locations with ease. Rated Cat 3600V, it allows you to work directly on energized circuits. There's no need to take equipment offline, saving you valuable time. The transmitter operates with just one button. This simple design ensures quick setup and hassle-free use for any task. It's compatible with the CT400 signal clamp accessory. This allows you to induce a tracing signal even when bare conductors are inaccessible, expanding its utility. What we like. Featuring a large LCD screen with detailed readouts and a Cat 3600V rating, this kit is built for serious electrical work. If you frequently work on energized circuits and need a professional-grade tool that provides clear visual feedback and robust safety, this tracer is ideal. Its compatibility with a signal clamp also makes it versatile for challenging tracing scenarios. What people say. Number 2. Klein Tools 8450 Advanced Circuit Tracer Kit. This advanced kit ensures dependable tracing of energized or non-energized breakers, fuses, and wires. It provides accurate electrical identification for all your needs. You can easily modify its receiver sensitivity to detect through various materials. This includes drywall, cement block, shielded cable, or even underground. It allows you to trace wires, conduit, pipes, or isolate a single wire within a bundle. This makes it suitable for a wide range of electrical tracing tasks. Audible beeps and visual indicators on the receiver provide clear signal strength feedback. This aids in precise wire identification. The receiver includes a built-in flashlight for low-light areas, enhancing visibility. It also has a non-contact voltage (NCV) function to test wire energization, improving safety during tracing. Its transmitter features external voltage indicators for 12V, 48V, 120V, 240V, and 480V. This allows for easy identification of different voltage levels while tracing. The kit comes complete with a transmitter, receiver, various leads, clips, batteries, instructions, and a sturdy carrying case. It provides everything you need for convenient storage and portability. What we like. This comprehensive kit excels in versatility, capable of tracing both energized and non-energized lines, even underground. If you tackle diverse tracing tasks, from isolating a single wire in a bundle to locating buried conduits, its adjustable sensitivity and included NCV function make it incredibly adaptable. This is perfect for professionals needing a robust solution for complex and varied tracing environments. What people say. Number 1. Southwire Circuit Breaker Finder Kit. Quickly identify the correct circuit breaker without interrupting power. This advanced kit ensures efficiency and safety in your work. Featuring an advanced design, it offers pinpoint accuracy. This reliable tool comes with a transmitter and receiver for precise detection. Its durable design helps pinpoint a single breaker, preventing service interruptions. You can work confidently without affecting other circuits. This testing tool is compact and easy to carry. It's always available whenever you need reliable power testing. Expect accurate readings and measurements you can trust. This device is UL listed and compatible with 120V systems. From a brand known for innovation, this product delivers on its promises. It's designed to provide responsible and reliable power solutions. What we like. This kit offers reliable, pinpoint accuracy in a compact and durable design, making it highly portable for any job. If you need a dependable, easy-to-carry tool for quick and accurate breaker identification without power disruption, this unit is an excellent everyday companion. Its straightforward functionality ensures you can quickly get the job done. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.